Bener. Hello everyone, we are from Group B and we will present about the Kajian System Library or we call it ACLI. I'm here with my friends. I'm Griselda, Agam, Ibrahim, Ruli Bija, Akmal Mutahar, and Jauza. So the Kajian System Library (CLE) project is a strategic initiative under the Dinas Kearsipan and Perpustakaan Kota Depok, and it aims at modernizing and optimizing library services through technology. And this project is designed to support tertib administrasi dan pelaporan pelayanan perpustakaan keliling by implementing a system capable of recording and storing data in an electronic management system for mobile library services. By integrating location-based online monitoring, all data related to mobile library services can be recorded automatically and kept up to date based on actual service location, enabling a more efficient, accurate, and real-time approach to service tracking and reporting. Next.
For our project scope consists of two parts, which is the first one is in scope. The first one is data collection for mobile library service, which is capability to gather real-time data about the location, visitor numbers, and books read by visitors at various library service point. And then the second one is monitoring system for mobile libraries, which is an electronic system for managing and monitoring mobile library services. And then the third one is database management, which is integration of spatial database system for cataloging and libraries. And then the last one is reporting and analytics. It's a ability to generate reports on visitor statistics, service location, and types of books read during mobile library service session. Then for our outscope, the first one is staff training readiness, which is the project's improve operational efficiency, but doesn't include training library staff on using the CL system. And then infrastructure readiness for public libraries, which is the implementation of the CLE system, requires that public libraries have a well-prepared infrastructure, including reliable internet connection and compatible hardware for the mobile application. And then next.
This is our work breakdown structure or WBS from our project milestones in our project charter. So here we have three levels and we choose to use a phase-based work breakdown structure because by dividing the project into phases, we can ensure that each stage is completed sequentially and that dependencies between tasks are effectively managed. And then, yeah, we have three levels here. The first one, the level one is Kajian System Library or CLE, the name of the application itself. And then level two, we have five main tasks here: the project preparation and coordination, preliminary research and data collection, system design and development, application testing and feedback collection, and then finally the project documentation. And each main task has its own activities that we need to conduct. Here, for instance, for the first task, we need to do 4 activities, and then yeah, we need to do all of these activities to ensure that this task is true. And then the project schedule. So for project schedule, we have used Asana for this project because it's best task management tool out there. And then if you want to look at our schedule, you can see in the link here. You need to request because only members can see this project. Here, we implement this for 30 days or 29 days, sorry. And then we implement this from the 1st March until 29 March, but this can be changed based on the Depok Dinas Karsipan when will the project start. Next one will be explained by my colleague.
So the purpose of project cost is to estimate, plan, allocate, and manage the financial resource required to complete a project successfully. Is ensure that the project stay within its budget while achieving the objective balancing cost, efficiency with quality, scope, and timeline. Next. So our project cost is have 6 items. The first one, application development, website dashboard development, and testing and quality. In the application development, we'll do some front-end development, back-end, database integration, testing, and debugging. For the website, have the front-end, back-end, and database integration, reporting, and analytics. And the testing and quality, we'll doing some unit testing, integration testing, user acceptance testing. Next. In the next activity, we will do some project management, documentation and training, and contingency. In project management, we'll have planning and coordination, reporting. In the documentation, have user manual, staff training session, and documentation review. And total for the project cost is 47 million. Okay, next.
Okay, so next is the project stakeholder management. So the purpose of project stakeholder management is to identify all people or organizations that are affected by a project, to analyze stakeholder expectations, and to effectively engage stakeholders. So the first step in the project stakeholder management is to identify all of the stakeholders in this project. So here we have 7, which are Dinas Karsipan dan Perpustakaan Kota Depok as the project owner, with internal, and the role is executive sponsor, and Muhammad Akmal as the project management, Jose Zahra as project team experts, Agam Marikal as project team expert, Gizelda as project team supporting staff, and with Ruli Bija, and then Ucup as a library staff. All of them are internal since they are from internal of the organization. And then next, after the stakeholder register, then we should analyze each of them. And here, Dinas Karsipan dan Perpustakaan Kota Depok has a high power and interest with leading engagement, which means that they are aware of the project. And the outline of the potential management strategy are to maintain regular communication, involving key decisions, and provide reports. And then Muhammad Akmal Mutahara with medium power and high interest and supportive engagement, which means they are aware of the project and are supportive to any change in this project. And the potential management strategy are empowering leadership, encourage feedback, and to planning collaboratively. And then JAWZA is similar with medium and high power interest and also a supportive engagement. The potential management strategy are to set clear deliverable for her and then provide technical support and also to acknowledge her expertise as a form of motivation boost. And then Agam is also similar with medium and high and also supportive. And the potential is to define expectations for him and then offer collaboration opportunities with each of every experts and then to motivate through recognition. And then next is the last 3 of the stakeholder analysis, which are Griselda Audrey Wijaya, Ruli Bija with similar power interests, which are medium and high, and then supportive engagement. And for Griselda, the potential management strategy are to assign organizational roles since she is the secretary for this project, and then to provide tools and training if needed, and then to encourage her engagement. And then for Ruli Bija is to provide instructions for him and then offer training as a computer operator and to encourage feedback. And last is Ucup with low power or interest. And then the engagement is neutral and the potential management strategy is to provide essential information about the application to him and then to arrange demonstration to familiarize him with the apps and then to take on their feedback.
All right, so project human resource management. So in this, we follow an organizational structure which follows a team-based matrix approach where roles and responsibilities are clearly defined to ensure effective coordination and execution of tasks. Next slide. So these are the roles and responsibilities. The project manager is Muhammad Akmal, who will lead the project planning, execution, and monitoring. We have the information system expert, who is Jawza Zahra Ulaya, who will develop the system's technical specification and ensure compatibility and functionality of the features. We have the database expert, who is Agam Marikal, who will design and maintain the database. Then the secretary is Griselda Audria, who will prepare the meeting minutes, documentation, and will support the project communications. We have the computer operator who is Ruli Bija, who will assist in data entry, testing, and operational support for the mobile library system. As the library staff for now, it's either one of us who will provide the practical insights and testing feedback on mobile library operations. Then for technical support, it is me, Ibrahim Nakwa, who will provide the technical assistance during development, testing, and deployment. And I will troubleshoot related issues related to system integration and hardware. Next slide. So resource allocation plan to ensure optimal resource utilization and task distribution. We follow these four phases, where the first phase is planning phase, where the project manager will oversee the stakeholder meetings. Then we have the developmental phase, where the key technical roles, including the information system expert and the database expert, will be allocated the maximum resources to ensure system design and development meet the project timeline. Testing phase is where all the team members, including the library staff, will participate in application testing. And we have the deployment and documentation phase, where the supporting staff will focus on creating training manuals and coordinating user training sessions. Next slide. Up next, we have the human resource development to enhance team efficiency and adaptability. We follow these two strategies, where the training sessions, we conduct workshops for the project team to integrate, for GPS data integration and system functionality. For skill development, we leverage online resources and expert consultations to improve technical skills in Android application development and back-end integration. Next slide. Performance monitoring. So the project manager will conduct weekly reviews to assess the performance, team performance, and task progress. Key performance indicators and task completion rates, adherence to timelines, and issue resolution effectiveness will be tracked. And adjustments to resource allocation and timelines will be made based on these evaluations. Thank you.
And then for project communication, consists of four activities. First is weekly meeting teams, which is hold weekly meetings or send email updates to the project team to share progress and discuss tasks. So this keeps everyone on the same page. And then the second one is community information session, which is organize simple events at libraries and schools to show the public how the new system works and gather their feedback. And then the third one is stakeholder newsletter, which is send regular email or newsletters to key stakeholders such as government official and project sponsor to update them on the project progress. And then last but not least is online training and support, which is offer online tutorials and guides. Next slide.
And next one, we have risk management. These are three of high risk that we have. The first one is budget constraint, and it may impact the project delays, reduce quality and inability of certain feeders. And we have a timeline because we only have 1 month to finish this project. We have tight development and implementation schedule, and it may impact to unexpected technical challenges or research unavailability. And we also have technical integration. The complexity of integrating mobile application, databases, and other components may result in a system failures or delays, and it may impact the incompatibility system, increase development time, and troubleshootings. And the next one, we have medium rate risk. The first one is data collection accuracy. The project requires accurate and real-time data recording, and it may impact GPS error, inconsistent network connectivity, or human errors. And the last one, we have expert availability. We will may have the limited personnel and difficulty in hiring expert. And the next one, we also have mitigation. We will allocate contingency funds, use agile method, hire skilled developers, ensure accurate data with GPS validation, and train staff outsource tasks and streamline onboarding for new hires. Next.
Great. So the project is a well-structured innovation under the NESCAS Plan dan Usaha Kota Depok to enhance the management and monitoring of mobile library services through an Android-based application and supporting systems. So hopefully this project will be successful because we already have risk mitigation strategies and stakeholder engagement to deal with potential risk and basically a proper project management plan. So that's all from us. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day.